itong daan na to na tinatahak namin. This is my third time na dumaan tayo dito, no. Last ng isang sportive, tapos yung Modax, tapos ngayon naman hey, so ayan, no, the gravel boy true cyclist. Hey, you know. So we are here in the next town, Auger. Ano yan? Auger. So here it goes. We are now in Auger. Hey, hi. Here. So this is the town. Ganakoy, Calidon, Arma. Hey, hey. Hey, Ganakoy. So this is our third stop, Agrole. So this is the young one. Yan, the legend.
You're back to front.
Me and Mom, he has to come in.
Yeah.
So yan mga tuski, no? Dito na kami sa Klinkin river. Ayan, if you want to go for fishing, fishing, dami lang fishing. So yan, Klinkin. Ayan, we're here now. So still have more miles to left. So we're going to Calidon, then after Arma we go Rich Hill. So the last destination, Rich Hill. So mga tutski, murag lami ni sabon mga tutski, oh. Native kayo ang chicken. Murag lami din sa sabon, oh. Napay sa nang itlog, oh. Ski. Calidon town. Gallagher. So we're going to Arma now. So we wait for one of our friends coming. So just 4% grade of uphill. But this road is totally like, there's a lot of hills, you know. Going to Calidon, going to Arma.
E-bikes can go that way. You can go the other way.
So nandito na kami sa Arma, no? Going to Rich Hill na kami mga tuski. Hi. So yan, Rich Hill na, malapit na. So ilang miles na lang, Rich Hill na mga tuski. So yan mga tuski, we just reached here now. Noting na pala kami. So ito na yun, no? This is the place that we'll be doing now. So ayan, end of the course na, pero parang una na tayo, no? Kasi para makaabot pa tayo sa laro o ano ba. Let's go. Arrive now at Rich Hill. Ayan, no? South Region Gateway Service. So sila yung nag-organize nitong charity, no? Na yung company na to, yung South Region Gateway Service. So merong miles pa tayo titirahin pabalik ng Logan. Here comes the right.
probably knows food. But anyway, that's it. Anyway, I'm going to hand you over to Graham. He knows the fact.
So, yeah. So, we done our burger time now. We done already. So, uwi na tayo ng Lorgan ngayon. Still have like, I think 30 miles. Something like that. 30 or 20 miles left. So, from Richfield, going back to Lorgan. So, still have a good weather. Still have a sun. So, going back home now. Hey, hey!